This video is regarding operation and features of our model DPATT 3BI 3-phase power analyzer. Our R&D engineers designed and developed this meter to make the testing of transformers simpler, faster and organized. It has big 20x4 alphanumeric LCD display. It has 7-segment display for long distance view. It has 4x4 keypad for easy operating of the instrument. It has USB port for interfacing this instrument with the PC. It has SD memory card slot for saving the data in the SD memory card. This one is on-off switch for the instrument. This instrument comes with a software for generating report in PDF format. Right now it is showing the system page, which can be accessed using this system button. It is showing here average voltage, the average current, the frequency, the system power factor, the total apparent power and the total watt. Here it is showing the connection type. Right now selected is 3-phase 4 wires 3 element. This one is VI page. Here it is showing the voltage in each phase, VR, VY, VB and the average voltage. Here it is showing the current in each phase and the average current. This one is WPF page. Here it is showing the watt in each phase and the total watt. Here it is showing the power factor in each phase and the total power factor. This one is hold button. Now the instrument comes in the hold condition. It is also indicated in the 7-segment display. To bring the instrument back in on-hold condition, you have to press this hold button again. Now this instrument comes in the normal position. This one is reactive energy page. Here it is showing the reactive energy in each phase and the total reactive energy. This one is active energy button. Here it is showing the watt hour in each phase and the total watt hour. This one is apparent energy page. Now it is showing the apparent energy in each phase and the total apparent energy. This one is read button. This is used for selecting the different options. This one is CTPT button. Here we can see the current setting of the CT ratio and the PT ratio. Right now it is showing the CT ratio as 200/5 and the PT ratio as 3300/110. This button is used for entering the nameplate rating of the transformer. You can set the serial number of the transformer, the kV rating of the transformer, the ST voltage rating, the LT voltage rating, the LT voltage phase to neutral, the ST full load current and the rated frequency. This button is for entering the time and the date. This button is used for saving the reading in the SD memory card. Now the file has been written and the file name is 50017. This one is F1 button. This is used while conducting the open circuit test or the no load test on the transformer. In open circuit test, we have to apply rated voltage at rated frequency at the LT side. But in case frequency is different from the rated frequency, we have to calculate the voltage to be applied according to the frequency. So here it is giving the target voltage based on the present frequency. LT voltage, frequency and the target. The target voltage can also be seen in the 7-segment display. This one is F2 button. This is used while conducting the short circuit test on the transformer. Here it is showing the rated ST voltage, the actual ST voltage where we get the short circuit current, and here it is showing the impedance, percentage impedance of the transformer. This one is F3 button. F3 button is used for calculating the watt at 75 degrees Celsius. Watt measured at room temperature is different from the watt at 75 degrees Celsius by a scale factor. User can calculate that factor and enter the value using the 4x4 keypad. Here it is showing the wattage after multiplication by the scale factor. So user has said the scale factor is 1.2 and all the reading is now multiplied by the factor 1.2. This is set button. This is used for setting different parameters. Here it is showing the cursor. We can select the parameter to be set by scrolling this cursor by using up and down button. Right now it is in connection type. We can select the different connection type of the electrical system as 3-phase 4-wire 3-element, 3-phase 3-wire 2-element, 3-phase 4-wire single element and a single-phase 2-wire single element. This option is in energy parameter. This is for resetting active, apparent and reactive energy to 0. This is for selecting the voltage to be seen in VI page as phase to phase or phase to neutral. This is for setting the CT primary rating. This is for setting CT secondary rating. This is for setting PT primary and this is for setting PT secondary rating. This is for setting the transformer specifications like serial number, kV rating, LT voltage and ST voltage rating. This is for setting the date. This is for setting time. This is for selecting the frequency source. That is, whether we want to measure the frequency of auxiliary supply or the input voltage. Now I will demonstrate how to set CT ratio by an example. Suppose I want to set CT ratio as 400 by 5. That is, CT primary as 400 ampere and the CT secondary as 5 ampere. It can be set either by set button or the CT PT button. I am pressing this CT PT button. It is showing the present CT PT ratio. CTR as 200 by 5. CT secondary is already 5 ampere. Now we will make CT primary as 400 ampere. So we have to press the set button. Now it is showing different options. So we have to select CT primary. So we have to press this set button. So here it is showing the present value of the CT ratio of the CT primary, and we have to change it to 400. So I am pressing 4, 0, 0, 0. After entering this new value, you have to press set button. Now it is showing the present CT ratio as 400 by 5. All the settings will be saved in internal memory of this instrument. So if we switch off the instrument and then switch it on again, our previous setting will be retained. So here it is showing the CT ratio as 400 by 5 as we have previously said. Thanks for watching this video. For more information and the clarification, please visit our website www.umaelectronics.com.